Hello everyone, good morning. In this video of social studies, we will revise our chapter and we will do objective exercise plus question answers. But first, let's start with good thought. Today's thought of the day is nothing is impossible in this world. As the word itself says, I am possible. Nothing, कुछ भी impossible नहीं है, सब कुछ possible है. As the word खुद itself ये बोल रहा है, I am possible. So students, do your best, try your best, put your good efforts in your studies, study with your parents, and the result will be always good. So points to remember. As you can see on the screen, I will keep sharing screen and I will read points to remember what you have learnt in this chapter. Okay, so means of transport are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह तक मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट यूज़ होते हैं. किसको कैरी करते हैं? पीपल को भी और गुड्स को भी. ट्रेन्स, बसेस, ट्रक्स, कार्स, स्कूटर्स एंड बुलक कार्ट्स आर सम मीन्स ऑफ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. एरोप्लेन्स, हेलीकॉप्टर्स आर मीन्स ऑफ air transport. Ships, boats and steamers are means of water transport. Now on the screen it will appear steamers, ships, boats. In India, we have a large network of roadways, railways and airways. Yes, India is very big country. So we have a large network of roadways, airways, railways. Railway is an example of land transport. In India, animals are also used as a means of transport in hills, deserts and forest. As I explained in the chapter, animals are used as means of transport in hills, deserts and forest. Now let's start our filling the blanks. You all have to take your canopy book along with you. Canopy book along with you. Filling the blanks. Camels are used as means of transport mainly in desert. Camels कहाँ पे यूज होते हैं? Desert, रेगिस्तान में. Aeroplanes take off from airport. Aeroplanes take off from airport. The third comes, India has one of the largest railway network in the world. Yes, largest railway network in the world. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. Then we are here with our question and answers. Students, what do you understand by the term means of transport? Means of transport. You all have to read with me. This is very important answer. Okay, means of transport are the ways by which people and goods are moved from one place to another. Again, I am reading with you. You all have to read with me. Take it seriously. If you will read with me, you will remember more. Means of transport are the ways by which people and goods are moved from one place to another. Now comes second one. How do we choose a means of transport when we want to travel? हम कौन से basis पे transport choose करते हैं? We choose a means of transport on the basis of the distance, rasta we need to travel. Distance means way, and the speed with which we need to reach the people. We also look at the expense it will involve. वो खर्चा कितना ले रहा है. अगर हमारे पास ज़्यादा है तो हम plane में जा सकते हैं. Okay? Water transport is slow. Question number 3 is water transport is slow. Then why do people use it? क्यों people use करते हैं? Water transport is slow but less expensive. वो महंगा नहीं है. Compared to other means of transport. कंपेयर किससे हम कंपेयर करेंगे? एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट से और लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट से कंपेयर करें तो वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट लेस एक्सपेंसिव है. शिप्स आर मेनली यूज टू ट्रांसपोर्ट गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. शिप्स आर मेनली यूज टू ट्रांसपोर्ट गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. नेम 5 मीन्स ऑफ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट. जो आप अभी भी यूज़ करते हो, हमेशा ऑलमोस्ट वी यूज़ दिस एज अ कॉमन मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. सो एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट आर ट्रेन्स, buses, trucks, cars and bullock carts. Now comes what are the common means of transport. सी आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चे विलेज विजिट किया होगा आप लोगों ने. तो विलेज में आपको बस ये लिखना है कि विलेज में कौन से कॉमन ट्रांसपोर्ट है. इन विलेजेस बुलक कार्ट्स एंड ट्रैक्टर्स. यस, ट्रैक्टर्स आर द कॉमन मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. ऑल ऑफ यू से विथ मी. In villages, bullock carts and tractors common. Common means ज़्यादातर जो यूज़ होता है उसको common बोलते. Are the common means of transport. So students, now comes multiple choice questions. The most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another is land transport. Again, I am repeating, the most common means of transporting people and goods from one place to another is land transport. Then comes, if you had to move huge amounts, huge means ज़्यादा quantity में, grain to another country, you would use ship. What we will use? Ship. Then comes to move logs. अगर हमको logs जो ट्री के ट्रंक को log भी बोलते हैं, in thick forest, to move logs in thick forest we use elephants. What we use? Elephants. Aeroplanes aeroplanes land and take off from airports. Aeroplane land and take off from airports. So you have to do this exercise in your canopy book, and I am going to send you a worksheet of this also. So do your work in your notebook plus in your canopy book. Okay.